I'm going to show you how to repair a leaky rivet or seam on a canoe or boat. Very easy to do. I'm using a product, and here's where I got it from, Aluminum-weld.com. And that's me, Randy Gasser. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is get the area I'm going to be working on clean. I just use a wire wheel on a drill. Get the oxide layer off, get down to the bare aluminum. So here we go. See how much cleaner this is than the old aluminum there. I decided to use matte gas for this repair because that's kind of thick aluminum in a big surface area. I want to get this done in a couple minutes. So I apply heat to where I'm working and I check it with the rod. Now this rod will melt 500 degrees before the aluminum does. So I use the rod like a temperature stick. And when this canoe gets up to 735 degrees in that area and I touch this rod to it, the aluminum will melt the rod. It's very important to get the rod out of the flame because you don't want to preheat it or melt the rod with a torch because the aluminum will not be warm enough or hot enough to accept it. Now it's going to take a minute or two for this to heat up, and when it does, you pan in real close and you'll be able to see the aluminum actually melt this rod. So the beauty of this is there's absolutely no guesswork. It's about as simple and easy as it comes when you're working with aluminum. Because there's not any aluminum in the second generation rod, it works on dirty, contaminated aluminum, not only aluminum, but copper, brass, magnesium, all your non-ferrous metals. But the important thing to do is check this every couple of seconds. I'm doing this real time because sometimes people think it should be hot by now, but like I say, there's no guesswork. Now we're getting real close, but I left a little bit on there a second ago. That aluminum dissipates heat so quickly. There we go, you see that? But you gotta really take your time and be careful with the torch. Once I get the rod working, I'll back that heat away. Then I can go over that leaky rivet just like so. If the seam's leaking, I can fix that as well, just like that. We'll let that cool now. Grind it off to make it look nice, and you just did a permanent repair. That little rivet will never leak again. Very easy to use, no guesswork involved, and you can get it from Aluminum-weld.com. Don't forget the dash between the aluminum and the weld.com. You can also order by phone. If you have any questions, I'm here for phone support as well.